Are you tired of outdated pool sanitizing methods? It's time for an upgrade. Clear Comfort's award-winning AOP treatment system is the leading trusted method for making your pools shimmer and shine. Whether you're managing commercial aquatic facilities, building and servicing top residential pools, or selling hot tubs and spas, Clear Comfort delivers AOP like no other. Why? 3 things: simplicity, reliability, and results. In fact, Clear Comfort's AOP outperforms the other AOP methods when it comes to treatment capability and the size of pools it can treat every time. That's because our AOP treatment systems create the strongest and highest concentrations of hydroxyl radicals, the most powerful oxidative compounds available for recreation water treatment, while simplifying water care. Unlike complex UV ozone combination systems, Clear Comfort does the work elegantly. Our patented Advanced Oxidation Process Treatment System pulls oxygen, or O2, into the system, converts it into atomic oxygen, or O1, and then injects it into the water, where it has a chemical reaction and becomes powerful hydroxyl radicals that destroy unwanted contaminants. Clear Comfort's AOP just works. Standing apart from those outdated salt, ozone, and UV systems, Clear Comfort makes pool upkeep easy, while reducing chlorine down to drinking water levels or less. Homeowners can finally enjoy swimming without skin and eye irritation and strong chemical odors. Use the best systems to build the best business. Voted a top 50 product twice by Pool & Spa News, Clear Comfort's AOP is the solution your customers want and the competitive edge your business needs. And Clear Comfort backs up your purchase with best-of-breed warranties, live customer support, unmatched customer assurance, and an industry-exclusive money-back guarantee. You'll never be left out to dry. Swim happy with the best AOP.